Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to do a protective hairstyle on, or if you wear human hairs, if you want to sleep, maybe if you want to go out. It has 3 benefits, so make sure you watch to the end. It's a simple hairdo. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you are new here, welcome to our show style family. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I post a new video. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. So yeah, let's get the video. First off, I blow dried the hair. From blow drying it, I went ahead and moisturized it. Of course, you have to moisturizing the hair. I went ahead first, before moisturizing, I had to part it into three what do I call it, 3 parts. I had to cut it in 3 parts, okay, so that it will be easier to apply the oil and all that stuff. Yeah, let's see. Yo! And yes, after moisturizing the hair, moisturizing the scalp, now we are going ahead and start plaiting. I'm going to do 2 cornrows at the front. Yes, this is the first cornrow, and then the second one is the other hair. So yeah, let's see. Yo! And by the way, if you want to learn how to do your hair, how to cornrow your own hair, I'll put the link on the description box. I have a video that I did on how to cornrow your own hair, okay? Yeah. Yo! So yes, now I got done with the cornrows, and now like right now we go to the other hair that I left at the back. So what we're doing here, we are going to join all the hairs, the edges of these cornrows and the back hair. I'm going to do it as one, like I'm going to join it together. I'm going to plait it together. Okay, yeah. And yes, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So if you are going out, you can lay your hair edges, your hair, how do you call them, your baby hairs, I mean. So you're gonna forgive me for how I lay my baby hairs, because I don't really know how to do them very well. So like I said, you can say this hair, you can go out with it that way. You see, once you lay the edges, it's done. Or you can also sleep with it. You'll put on your scarf and you're good to go. Or if you wear human wigs, it's still also suitable for human wigs, or for wigs, or for any type of wig, or putting a hat on. It's very it has a lot of benefits. So make sure to try this out. So simple to do. Like I said, if you don't know how to cornrow your hair, check the description box. I'm going to put the link there on how to control your own hair, to cornrow, I mean. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Love you guys. Thank you for the growth. Yes. Bye guys. Subscribe back.